Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is the best one for the Beat the Heat series, and you can have it as many as you want without much guilty feeling. So today we're gonna make the healthy mango frozen yogurt, and this dessert is super tasty, very delicious and so easy to make. So let's get started. Take around half a cup of yogurt, add it into a strainer and keep it aside until the whey is separated. Take some mango pieces and make it into a puree. Now into a blender add the yogurt which is separated from its whey. Add some cream cheese with that and drizzle some honey. Add 1/4 cup of the mango pulp, splash in some vanilla and blend it. Pour the yogurt mixture into a freezer safe container. Add some mango pulp and some crushed biscuits. You can add in digestive biscuits or normal arrowroot biscuits, or even cream biscuits taste really good with this. Now close this and keep it in the freezer. Now to make the popsicles, I have used some popsicle molds. Now I'm gonna remove the cover of the popsicle mold because I'm gonna insert some popsicle sticks. Now add in 1 to 2 spoons of yogurt mixture, add some crushed biscuits and repeat the same. Now tap it to fill in the gaps. You can add in different layers in this popsicle, like first the yogurt mixture, then the mango pulp, followed by the crushed biscuits, and repeat the same. After adding all the layers, just give it a mix to give some marble design. Now you need some popsicle sticks and some aluminium foil. Now take small square aluminium foils and cover each popsicle mold. Now give small cut on top of it. Now insert each popsicle stick through the cut. After freezing it overnight, take each popsicle mold and dip them in some room temperature water, and then you can easily remove it from the mold. Now our frozen yogurt mango pops are ready. These are so delicious and very refreshing. You can also try these frozen yogurt in some waffle corn, which taste even better. So definitely try out these frozen treats on this summer and feel refreshed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.